Hello everyone, this is my website Bharat Connect, which is a digital platform that brings India culture and innovation together. It features an interactive map, each state tradition, a Swadeshi product section highlighting authentic and local handicraft, a community innovation center for selling and sourcing the innovation based on different state, and a knowledge hub to read and write about India culture and heritage. So this is an app Bharat Connect that connects India roots with modern creativity. So now let's move on the first section, which is the map section. So here we can click on any state and we can view the details of the state in the right manner. So for example, if we click on Punjab, here we can get the overview of the Punjab and culture heritage about different festival, about their dance and their language. We get famous cuisine from the state, major cities, and this is the section like innovation. So this is a working link. We can click on the link. We will be redirected to the innovation made in this state, which is available on your website. And also we have the product option, which is in the next page. Then we have some articles. The articles are not filtered by state. These are the article present on the website. Here also we can click on the state and view the details over here. So the next section is a product section. Here we can select any state, for example Bihar. Then we have the different famous product of the Bihar. Also we can view the details of the product. So let's say this is a description of the product. We also have an option to view the product website. There are different websites where products are available through browse more products. We will be redirected back to the product page. Also there is a vendor information. We can redirect back to the product page. Now the vendor come to our website and add the shop name, their city and contact information will be shown. So now there we have an option of adding new product which we can add. Product name, description, URL, state and origin. Okay, so we now move on to the next section, which we have innovation. So there is a small innovation gallery which we can write the innovation, the description of the innovation and the state. We can choose the state, then we can just submit the innovation. So it will be available over here. Whatever innovation we have made. Now moving on the next page, that is article page, where a person can write the article content, and here some submission guidelines. They submit the articles and then publish articles. Also available which can view the author of the articles. The name of the article is also visible over here. And now let's move on the profile section, where the user profile, email and the role is given. This is my project Bharat Connect, which brings India tradition into digital future, empower India culture, creativity and local innovation on single space. Thank you.